Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me for. Today, guys, we are still going to turn another oversized trouser. You know, I have three of it, so we have turned the first one. This one is the second one now. Guys, please stay with me on this channel. If you have not watched the first video, please, it's on my page. You can go on my YouTube, TikTok, and every other places. You can watch it. So, guys, normally we are going to still turn this one to another beautiful, sexy dress. So, you know what we are doing now? Putting your two leg in one trouser, just one leg of the oversized trouser. So guys, just watch the way I do it. Please guys, help me to share this video to support me. You know now, help me to just share this video. It might not benefit you, but it might still benefit one or two person when you will share it. Guys, please support your girl and let's encourage me so that I can do more. There are still more, so I'll be bringing it out little by little. So guys, I'm trying to pull off the dress and so that the dress will come out very well. Just wash it, guys. Wash it. I'm pulling off the dress now, trying to arrange it. I am not putting up cuff bra. I'm just putting up other bra in case, because one lady asked me, what about if I don't have cuff bra? Can I use ordinary bra that have hand? I said yes. So that's the reason I'm making this video with bra hand. You can see the bra hand is showing at the back. You will see the way I will arrange it inside. Nobody will know in case you come across the video and you don't have cuff. And no, I know everybody have cuff bra, but you don't just want to put it. You can see the hand of the bra is showing at the back. So very soon I'm going to arrange it so that it will not come out. So this is the pin we are going to be using, just this pin. So guys, just watch the way I'm going to arrange it. You know it's an elastic material, so you're going to arrange it very carefully and do it careful. Guys, please help me to like this video, help me to share this video for more video. Guys, please share. This is what they call DIY, do it yourself. For those of you asking me what is the meaning of that word, DIY is do it yourself, without needle and thread, without sewing machine. So we gather it and we put the pins. You can see the way I'm putting the pins now. You put it careful, one by one, because it's an elastic material. So you will see the way I'm going to do it. You see the way I'm doing it. So you're going to paste it on any place of your choice, anywhere you want to put it. If it is the right place, if it is the belly side, anywhere, just put it on any place you feel like you want to put it. So I'm putting it on my belly side now, so you can see. Wow, this is amazing. Check it out now, view and check it out now. You see how beautiful it is. So guys, what are you waiting for? Please help me to share this video, like this video, check it out now. It's so beautiful. So I'm trying to arrange the bra hand so that it will not show. You see it? You just check it out. Just look at the dress, very beautiful, without needle and threads, without sewing machine. You see how beautiful it is. So guys, you know now I'm a mother, so I cannot go out with this, so I have to match it with my jacket. You understand? With my suit coat. So whatever you want to call it, Italy call it fire pass, some call it jackets, so however you want to call it. So this is how I'm going to go out. You know, I am a mother, I cannot go out like this, so I have to dress this. So guys, this is what came out from this oversized trouser. You know now I'm going to match it with my, you know now, Le Coco Vero. I'm going to match it with my high shoes and my little jewelry that I have. So in case you want to go out, but some mothers can put on this kind of dress, but for me I cannot, so I have to cover up my body, you know now. So I'm putting on my jewelry. So guys, we are good to go. Check it out now, guys. Just check it out. Who they feel now? Who they see am? Check it out. Use it to snap, jare. Abeg, put it out for your pocket and use it to snap, jare. Give us a very beautiful shot, guys. Check it out. Oh yeah, now it's time to shake it, guys. Shake it. So beautiful, guys. Please, guys, support your girl. Please like this video. Share this video for me for more video, guys. A lot is still coming. So guys, please, anyone you want me to do for you, you can write it on the comment section below. What's the kind of dress you want me to turn? The trouser, is it top, anyone? Let me see if I can be able to get it and do the video for you. So guys, please check it out now. It's so beautiful, so lovely. Nobody will know this is trouser now. I'm still saying it. Who is going to know that this is trouser? I rocked this dress to one of our girls' parties on Sunday, and I told her that I just use this trouser. None of them believe me. You understand? So just check it out. Guys, please support your little girl by subscribing and liking the video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.